What's up guys, John from Traxxas, and today I'm very pumped. We've got another exciting unboxing to do, and today we are representing Fox. So I've got Fox hat, Fox shirt and Fox RC truck. Let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. As soon as we reach 1,000 subscribers. Anyway guys, so today we are going to be looking at a Traxxas / Fox Racing Edition. I am super pumped to get this one in. I had it imported all the way from the USA, from Hobbytown, and this one came all the way from California according to the label information that I had on the box. And isn't it just a beauty? This is an official Ford Raptor licensed body, and I just think it looks gorgeous. I've already got some additional hop-ups that I'm getting for it that's on the way as well from Hobbytown, and I'll share it with you guys in one of the future videos. But without further ado guys, first things first guys, it's a Traxxas / underbody, and as you can see guys, included in the box here you get your controller with a battery. So this one does come with a power cell battery. I believe it's the 8.4 volts. I'll just double check on that one soon. And you've got, unfortunately, one of those car chargers. Who gives someone a car charger to charge your vehicle? Luckily, I've got this as well. So I've got the 2S Traxxas ID LiFePower battery that I'm going to charge with my Traxxas charger. I believe I can also charge this battery that's included here with my Traxxas charger. I'll just see about that, but I believe you can. Okay guys, so they say you've got a 30 miles plus speed rating or 48 kilometers per hour. I don't know how true that is guys, I doubt it. Remember, this is just a brush model, it's not brushless, but I am going to make it a brushless in one of the future videos as well. It's fully assembled, ready to race vehicle, so it's an RTR, and remember, it's an official race replica. Okay guys, so there if you go inside, you've got a little bit more packaging information. There you can see is the vehicle from the side, and there is another pic there. So if we go this way guys, you will see that it says here we've got a 13-inch wheelbase with a 3.5-inch ground clearance. So this one sits higher than a regular / model, which is really nice. Gives you a little bit more ground clearance to drive over rough stuff. Then you've got a digital servo, they say here. You've got a Titan 12-turn motor. It's a 5/5 brushed motor, unfortunately not brushless, but we'll still make it brushes in the future. Like I said, you've got a XL5 waterproof ESC, and you've got a couple of other stuff as well. All full shops. Guys, I can't wait to get it out of the box. So let's cut this official Traxxas seal here with my trusty old knife. So let's open it up. Oh, okay, great. So we've got the controller on this side first. Okay guys, so let's get the controller out, and it is the general Traxxas controller. This one does not have the Traxxas stability management guys, so, or TSM as it's known. So this is a very basic controller guys, but it still's got that nice Traxxas quality. You can really feel the tension on the trigger, which is nice. You've got a foam wheel, you've got a steering trim on it, you've got an on button, and you've got a set button as well. This I believe takes 4 AA batteries, which I will put in soon. Okay guys, what more can I say? Good quality stuff this. I really like it. I don't have issues. Look, I'm not a professional racer. I'm not like most people getting into those big Dumbo and Slumbo and all of those type of controllers guys. So I just use the controllers that come with the vehicle, and I like these. I don't have any issues with it. Alright, so first piece of styrofoam goes. Look at that. And for those of you who knows a little bit about tires, did you guys see a familiar tread pattern there? If you did, well done, because these are official licensed BF Goodrich tires. Oh, this thing is a beauty. Let's take it out. Alright guys, empty box, just a piece of styrofoam. Okay, we'll look at the vehicle now. Let's quickly look at our bag of goodies. What is in here? So, alright guys, you've got a battery space saver foamy type of a thing. I've realized now with Traxxas vehicles, these are typically what they are. You've got a little tool kit with a couple of Allen screws, and you've got a wheel wrench and a couple of other stuff as well. And you've got a washer kit that comes, I'm guessing it's got something to do with the body. We'll just double check that guys, but this is also very nice. A couple of additional R keys or clips, body clips, a couple of additional screws. This is nice. Then you've got that useless car charger. I mean, you've got a couple of shock spaces, adjustment spaces. More of those, I'm guessing there in front. And then you've got a optional speed gear. So this is probably what you're going to need to obtain that speed that it says on the box, the 30 miles per hour or 48 kilometers per hour. You're probably going to need to install this. You've got a nice Traxxas decal sheet, which I'm not going to put on this body guys. This body stays as it is. You've got a Traxxas warranty information sheet. The Traxxas marketing with the ID Live system. You've got a Ford Raptor blowout sheet that comes with the vehicle, which is really nice. Again guys, this is good to see all of the components, what possibilities there is to upgrade it, all of that kind of stuff, which is again very nice. And then you've got a quick start guide guys on how everything works with this vehicle. Now see, this has also got the Traxxas ID. Alright guys, and then it just shows you how the battery and everything works as well, which is nice. For those of you who's wondering, there's the blue color scheme. I just really wanted the fox color scheme. Alright, so this is again nice information guys, but let's get to the money shot. Get all of this stuff off and let's reveal this beautiful truck. Okay, body clips off. How awesome is that for a scale look guys? Oh, it's beautiful, eh? Isn't it just gorgeous? The Ford Raptor replica body, the right fox. Are you guys noticing that it's actually got wing mirrors as well? Little sunroof. It's just an absolute beauty of a thing. Okay, let's see what is inside. Okay, so a lot of paperwork here. Oh, so it does have the Traxxas Smart ID connectors, which is nice. I'm not going to read too much into that. Okay guys, then it's got a little warning thing here. It's got something to do with the motor. Oh, it's a high performance motor and it can get hot. Not going to read too much into that. Then you've also got a little piece of information about the battery, I'm guessing. Nah, not going to get too much into that. Oh, it just shows you the suspension adjustment that you can make to improve the stability on pavement or rugged terrain. That's nice. Okay, this is quite good. Right, let's get that off. Styrofoam. Guys, look at how simple this design is. It's just such a simple chassis design. There you can see is the 550 12-turn motor at the back. You've got your receiver box, you've got your ESC, you've got your servo, and just where the battery comes in. I mean, that just works. Just pull it out the battery bay, guys. So this is the 8.4 volt NIMH 3000 milliamp hour battery pack that comes with the vehicle. I'll give that a charge up later, and it does come with the Traxxas ID connectors, which again is brilliant. I'm happy about that. I'm not too sure when Traxxas started with that new connector system that they've got. The suspension feels really nice as well, and you've got that beautiful BF Goodrich tires, guys. Remember, this is a rear wheel drive, two-wheel drive vehicle only, so that is why the vehicles in the front are spinning freely. They are really nice, guys. BF Goodrich replica tires. You can see the tread. We all know the BF Goodrich tires. They look absolutely awesome. Alright. Right, guys, and there is the bottom of the chassis as well. There you can see a little bit of exposure to the servo. I don't know if I like that too much, but we'll see in the future how that plays out. Can you guys read there on the tire? BF Goodrich mud terrain. Alright, guys, it's a beauty of a thing, eh? Absolutely love it. It's such a simplistic design. Now that I've got it out, do you see that it's got quite a higher ground clearance than you will have on a regular slash? Right, guys, the suspension test. It's nice. It's not the best, but it's nice. Alright, you've got your little big bumper in the front, you've got your rear in the back. I've got some nice accessories coming for this vehicle, which I cannot wait to get, which I'll show you guys in the future. Let's quickly get this battery out, because this is a 2S additional LiPo battery that I got with the vehicle. So let's break the seal. Let's open it up. This battery cost me $113, guys, and this truck imported from the USA cost me 494 New Zealand dollars. It's 250 US dollars if you buy it in the US plus shipping. This cost plus shipping translated to 494 New Zealand dollars, and this battery cost me $113.50, and this again is New Zealand. Okay, guys, so you've got a 2-cell 5800 milliamp hour Traxxas LiPo battery with the smart ID connectors as well. So this is also something that I will get onto the charge, and something that you can run with this vehicle as well. I just quickly want to see how it actually fits into the battery bay. Oh, I see now. Now maybe that's why we're going to need that spacer that we had earlier. So as you can see, guys, there's a lot of movement for the battery inside if you're using the 2S. So I'm guessing that's why you've got the battery spacer. So I'm quickly going to get that out. Pop that in there. Alright, so now you've got a nice neat fit with that battery spacer in there. Alright, guys, so yeah, let's quickly put this back. I want to see how that fits into it. Oh, like a charm. Alright, guys, look at that. No issues at all with that battery being in there now, that 2S LiPo. Just make the connection and Bob's your uncle. There you go. I love this design. It's really, really simple. It's open. You can literally see anything that you want to in here. You guys know the Traxxas design on the slashes. It's really, really good. I am going to upgrade this to brushless version soon. I think I wanted to keep this as a little shelf queen because it's such a beautiful thing. But while we are talking about that, let's quickly put the body back and see how it looks. Oh, that area looks horrible. I'm gonna have to make a different plan there. I hate that. I don't like that at all. So So I'm definitely going to have to get that tucked into the body somehow. Right guys, so as you can see, you've got a lot of suspension travel in the vehicle. And it's an absolute beauty. Look at that. I looked forward to getting this one so much, and I'm so glad that I finally got it. These wheels are just absolutely gorgeous, and this Fox body is a Raptor body. Okay guys, let's quickly do a size comparison quickly. Alright, so first one I'm going to compare the size to is my other new vehicle, the iBoxing 16889A Pro. There we go guys. Okay guys, and now we're going to compare it to the Traxxas Max. So both of these vehicles are supposed to be 1/10 scale. I'm not going to put this beautiful body at the bottom. The Max has got some protectors on the top. Alright guys, so that is my unboxing of my brand new Slash in the Raptor guys, the official Ford Raptor, and with the beautiful BF Goodrich tires. I think it's an absolute stunning vehicle guys. I'm so glad I finally got one. Again guys, if you like content like this, RC cars, I've got a Sur-Ron, I've got electric scooters as well as tech videos. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below if you like this Slash. I know it's only 2-wheel drive, and I know it's only a brush vehicle, and it is a little bit expensive, but I just needed to have this in this Fox guys. I just think it's awesome. If you like this video, give it a like. Also subscribe to the channel guys, and we will see you in the next one. Bash on. Cheers.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.